Model: 64-plate Citroën Relay 35L3H2 HDI body, white, panel van. Mileage: 67,468. Engine: 2,198 cc. 4H HD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper's part service history, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £7,175. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call